Solution to the technical challenge.
Okay, let's go to the technical challenge solution of the week. For that, on the lab number 2, and before doing the do-it-yourself section of the lab, open the AWS Management Console and launch the EC2 instance, just as you did it in the instructions of the lab. Select Amazon Linux, leave it T3 micro, but in the case of a keeper, you have to create a keeper so you can connect to the EC2 instance by SSH. Give it a name and save the file. Then on the network settings, be sure to correct the lab VPC. Then create the security group and be sure that you configure 2 inbound security group rules. One is for SSH, that is going to allow you the connection from anywhere, and the other is for HTTP, also from anywhere. Then on the advanced details section, you have to copy the script. This script has the following: update packages, install the web server, install Git software, clone the GitHub repository, and put it on the folder that is going to host the website of your web server. Then apply this instruction so you can replace the word BeSA student with your name on the index.html file. The last 2 instructions that you have here is just to enable and start the web server. We have to wait a few seconds so the web server downloads all the code from the GitHub repository. Let's copy the public IP address of the EC2 instance and open it in a new tab of the browser. Let's wait a few seconds. Refresh the page if needed. Then you have replaced the word BeSA students with your name. To upload the photo, just click on the button. And let's connect to the EC2 instance. For that, open a terminal. Locate the file that you downloaded. In my case, BeSA. In Linux, you have to give permissions. You have to modify the permissions of this file, and you will do it with this command. Then connect to the EC2 instance with this command: SSH EC2 user, add the public IP address of your EC2 instance, then you have to add -i and the name of your keeper, just like this. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's just EC2 user, add the IP. Then you will be asked if you want to continue. Type yes, and then you are connected to your Amazon Linux instance. Well done.